Hi, my name is Mads. Welcome to the Panasonic PTZ world. I want to show you a trick that I use a lot when using only one camera in the field. Normally, when shooting with multiple cameras, you can change your presets while on another camera. But if you're using only one camera, it is very frustrating that your camera moves back and forth between presets too fast. For instance, if I change to a different preset now, it would take this speed to maneuver. And it can be a little hectic for the viewer to look at the preset moving that fast. So let me show you how you can change the duration of the speed between presets. You press the menu button, go into PMIM setting, and then you scroll down to speed. Currently, it is set to 1 second. So let us go ahead and set this for 22 seconds. When entering a preset, it would take 22 seconds for that preset to be moved. That is how easy it is. So let's say you don't have a hardware panel like this RP60. Instead, you can download our free software called PTZ Control Center. In that, you will also be able to change between the different presets you have. We can go into preset list, choose our camera, and then we can go down and choose our different presets right here. We can enable this and choose 22 seconds like we had before, press timed, uncheck this, and now when I change to a different preset, it takes 22 seconds for that to move the camera. Do not forget to set the preset time back to normal, as the time information is stored in the camera and might be unwanted for your next show. So that's how easy it is to do a time preset change with both hardware and software. Thank you for watching.